To start, log into your account portal using your 10-digit customer ID and password. Next, click on Service Number Management. Then select Add New Service Number. Click New Local Number. Then find a number with your preferred area code. When you find a number you like, click the green Select button. Then, choose the $10 mobile masking promo plan. Next, type the number you wish to return calls to. Then click Activate Service. Click on the number you've just added. Then, under Forward Incoming Calls to, select Insert Mobile Masking from the drop-down menu. Next, name your access list, for example, staff. Then, add the mobile or landline number of the people you wish to allow to use the service. Next, generate a PIN. This must be entered each time you use mobile masking. Finally, under Service to handle return calls, select the 1-300 or 1-800 number that you want callers to reach you on if they call back. Then, scroll up and click the green Save button.